Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a couple products that I received this week. So the first one is Lamp-Modelones. It's a 3-piece set. It has a primer, a top and base coat. So I was pretty excited to try the Lamp-Modelones primer. The top and the base coat I've tried a million times before. It's one of my favorite combinations. So the primer does not have too strong of a smell to it, and the brush is pretty wide. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes. So this lamp, it's a 2-in-1 LED lamp. It has a low heat mode. It has 56 lights. And so the 2-in-1 is, it also has a fan. So I guess that's to keep your skin cool while you're curing your gel polish. Did I say that it was 78 watts? It's a 78 watt. It's a 78 watt lamp. So what's included in the box is a lamp. It's pretty wide. It does not have a bottom. And then it comes with the adapter, comes with its specifications and instructions. The one thing that kind of stood out to me with this is it says to unplug it after use. I generally do that anyway with my lamps because I don't like the LED screen lit up. I don't know, I'm just OCD about that, but this one specifically says to unplug after use. So it's automatic. You can just put your hand in, it turns on automatic. These aren't buttons, so you can just barely tap on the screen, and it goes for your selected time, either 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. The 99 seconds is the low heat mode. So what I'm going to do today is use a couple swatch sticks and try these two gel polishes. For me, these are two of the hardest colors to cure, so I'm just gonna try out the lamp and see how it works. So using the Lamp-Modelones primer, I actually like how this applies. It applies pretty smooth, like the brush is pretty big, so a lot of primers come with that small brush, so you're not sure if you're getting the entire surface, but with the wider brush you're probably getting a smoother, more even coat. And then the base coat does apply pretty smooth over the primer. And so I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds. I typically don't get a lot of wrinkling or shrinkage on my gel polishes. I try and apply them thinner and get the layer as smooth as possible. But if I do, it's typically with my yellows. I don't know why, but my yellows and my blacks. I don't really have too much trouble with the whites wrinkling or anything like that. So that's why I'm testing these two colors, just because that's what I have the most problems with. And here you can see I literally applied the gel polish on the wrong side of the swatch stick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply 2 coats of this and then the top coat and see if there's any separation or wrinkling. When I do normally do these colors, I cure them for 2 minutes. So this is a 78 watt lamp, and I'm only going to cure it for 60 seconds to see how it turns out. Okay, so after curing my top coat for 60 seconds, I don't have any wrinkling. This is a non-white top coat, but it's cured. There's not even this slight tacky layer that you sometimes get with your non-white top coats. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will leave the links for the lamp and the Model 1 set down below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.